6-driven wheels, ballistic-grade structural reinforcement, and a platform engineered for places where infrastructure disappears. This is the 2027 Toyota WarHawk 6x6, a machine built not for highways, but for uncertainty. Massive all-terrain tires tear through mud, sand, and snow with unstoppable traction. At first glance, it resembles a military transport, armored and uncompromising. But inside, the WarHawk reveals a luxury survival-grade habitat designed for long-term off-grid autonomy, transforming extreme expedition travel into a fully self-sustained living platform. Today, we take a technical deep dive into the engineering philosophy behind the WarHawk concept. This is not an RV. It is a mobile expedition base designed to bridge the gap between tactical military mobility and high-end residential comfort, redefining what long-range off-grid travel can truly achieve. Unlike conventional expedition vehicles focused on aesthetics, the WarHawk prioritizes operational redundancy. We examine the physics of this 6x6 drivetrain, the protective function of its armored exterior, and the integrated systems designed to keep occupants safe and fully operational in extreme environments. For those who see the end of the road not as a boundary, but as a starting line, this platform demonstrates what becomes possible when engineering decisions are driven by capability rather than cost limitations. The defining characteristic of the WarHawk is the third axle. Most people see it as a visual statement, but its real purpose is performance. By adding an extra drive axle, the vehicle increases its ground contact footprint, distributing weight more evenly and dramatically improving traction across unstable terrain. This larger footprint reduces ground pressure compared to a traditional four-wheel platform. In soft terrain such as sand, mud, or deep snow, heavy vehicles often sink under their own mass. The WarHawk creates a flotation effect, allowing it to travel across the surface rather than digging downward. The 6x6 configuration also delivers critical redundancy. With 3 powered axles and locking differentials, the vehicle can continue moving even if one drivetrain component fails. This architecture is designed around failure tolerance, ensuring mobility in environments where recovery is not an option. The exterior design of the WarHawk follows a military-inspired philosophy where form serves function. The angular body panels are engineered to deflect debris, brush, and environmental impact while maintaining optimal approach and departure angles, allowing the vehicle to navigate extreme terrain without structural interference. A reinforced high-clearance front bumper is integrated directly into the frame rails, ensuring that any impact forces are absorbed by the chassis rather than critical engine components. Reinforced wheel arches and heavy-duty skid protection further safeguard vulnerable mechanical systems during aggressive off-road operations. Armored exterior coatings resist scratches, gouges, and environmental damage encountered in dense wilderness travel. Roof-mounted storage systems and external equipment racks carry spare tires, fuel reserves, and recovery gear outside the living space, preserving interior cleanliness and operational efficiency. A full 360-degree lighting array surrounds the vehicle, providing powerful perimeter illumination that transforms dark environments into fully visible work zones, a critical advantage when navigating or establishing camp in remote and unpredictable conditions. Propelling a vehicle of this scale requires immense energy. The WarHawk concept is expected to use a high-output diesel powertrain, potentially supported by a hybrid electric assist system. The focus is not top speed, but delivering sustained, reliable performance across extreme environments. The priority is massive low-end torque, allowing the large-diameter tires to rotate smoothly at near-zero RPM. This controlled crawling capability enables the vehicle to climb steep terrain and traverse obstacles without relying on speed or momentum, reducing mechanical stress and component wear. Range is the most valuable asset in expedition travel. The hybrid integration provides instant torque support while also enabling the vehicle to operate as a mobile power station, supplying electricity to onboard systems, equipment, and living quarters during extended off-grid operations. Battery-supported Silent Watch functionality allows climate systems and essential electronics to operate without the noise or heat signature of an idling engine, delivering a level of operational autonomy rarely seen in civilian expedition platforms. Step inside the WarHawk and the contrast is immediate. Behind the rugged exterior lies a clean, futuristic interior designed for long-duration habitation. The bright, white-themed cabin is not just aesthetic. It is engineered to create a calm psychological environment that counterbalances the harsh conditions outside. White leather seating, integrated storage, and a compact kitchenette provide functional living comfort without sacrificing efficiency. Every section of the interior is designed to eliminate unused space, ensuring maximum storage capacity for supplies required during extended off-grid missions. At the center of the habitat is a digital control system managing lighting, climate, water purification, and energy distribution through intelligent touch panels. This integrated system allows the vehicle to function as a self-contained living environment, capable of sustaining occupants for prolonged expedition operations. A dedicated sleeping area, sanitation module, and optimized storage architecture transform the WarHawk into a closed-loop life support platform, combining mobility, survivability, and residential comfort within a single expedition-grade structure. The 2027 Toyota WarHawk 6x6 represents the extreme edge of overland engineering. It asks a simple question: how far can you travel when the vehicle is no longer the limiting factor? Built for environments where infrastructure ends, it redefines the boundaries of expedition capability. Combining the brute strength of industrial machinery with the intelligent systems of a modern smart habitat, the WarHawk is not designed for everyone, but for those who demand reliability, autonomy, and survivability in the face of the unknown. It stands as the ultimate expedition platform. For viewers interested in expedition engineering and machines built for the edges of the map, Nomad Vault continues exploring the next generation of mobile autonomy. Subscribe and enable notifications to follow what comes next.